Edmonton. River Valley views, prairie history, and a downtown full of stories. And you're stuck trailing a guide who's already checking the time. Rushed past the high-level bridge. Hurried through Sir Winston Churchill Square. A group tour keeping everyone moving with no time to actually stop and take it in. Uvamai's Edmonton self-guided audio tour puts 9 of the city's richest stories directly in your hands. Just an access link sent straight to your inbox. Press play and explore at your own rhythm. No group, no rigid schedule, no rushing. Wander the bohemian energy of White Avenue and the old Strathcona Farmers Market. Cross the cable-stayed Walterdale Bridge and stand before the historic high-level bridge. Pause at Emily Murphy Park, step inside the Byzantine beauty of St. Joseph's Basilica, and take in the city's civic heart at Sir Winston Churchill Square and City Hall. 9 stops. Every story finally told in full. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Edmonton, not just photograph it. $6. Edmonton's bridges, basilicas, and river valley stories. Your pace, your story. Get your access link now at uvamai.com.